how to play this game.
Hi guys, I am the one who is going to play the game.
Okay, so you need to think of a number and don't tell me what you're thinking and press start.
Okay.
Okay, so the number which you thought, is it on the A side?
No.
Is it on the B side?
Yes.
Okay, so since the number is on the B side, you need to keep the magic number in your mind. So that's the magic number. Is it in the C side?
Yes.
Okay, so now we need to add this number and the one from before. So 20 plus 40, it will be 60. So we need to keep this in mind. So the number, is it on the D side?
No.
Okay, so the total is 60. So without showing Abdullah, I'm gonna check here. So it's 5. So Abdullah, is the number 5?
Oh yes, it is.
So that's how the game is played. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.